About 3 minutes left of trade. If we look at that half screen, all four of the indices, it's really trade that's highlighted here. The Dow very much down, the S&P still down as well, but the domestic Russell 2000 small cap index up today. So those trade stories over the weekend weighing on sentiment. If we look at the Russell intraday, you can see that a nice set of returns, certainly relative to the others, up a decent 0.5% intraday. Opened a little lower, but rallied throughout the day. Now, we could overplay the trade aspect as well, because if we look at the Dow intraday, we're right near the high of the day. We opened down some 250 points or so. The low of the day was 264, but we have rallied nicely throughout the session to only be down 0.4% at this time. And the Nasdaq, of course, is nicely higher. So the trade concerns in sight today, but not too accentuated. Let's have a look at the sectors as well as I bring in Bob Pisani, because interesting to see the negative effect that we've got. Telco's still down, of course, the ongoing battle with Comcast and the like for takeovers weighing on that. Staples down, healthcare down as well. So quite a few sectors still suffering, even though we've had that intraday rally. Energy up, Bob, but it's off the back of a very poor week last week.
Yeah, now energy helped turn the market around. We had oil really was down 5% in 2 days and really turned around. I think the important thing is take a look at Caterpillar. I agree with your points about trade. Still clearly weighing on the market. You can see the Russell outperformance indicating that. But Caterpillar, 148 today. Look, it was only 147 and change here. So that's not a big decline and well off of the lows. Then we had a number of sectors that very quickly turned around. So retail, besides energy, retail turned around in the very early in the morning. We had tech overall turning around. Bertha was talking about the big cap tech names that quickly turned around, and even the banks went modestly positive after essentially not doing a lot. Important thing here is there are sectors that do come to the fore. Consumer staples never made it, though. That's not one, and that's not one anybody.
I was about to bring that up because last week the best performing sector was consumer discretionary, and then this morning consumer staples suffering so much.
Yeah, consumer staples had a big rally on Friday. It had been dramatically oversold, of course, in the whole quarter, essentially. And a lot of people argue that that's a natural source of rotation, but there is a secular decline in that sector. That is not any kind of like we're just oversold. That's a secular story, and I think people are really stretching to look for consumer staples as a market.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.